Good morning, students. I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. We were there on chapter number 8, North America. Today we will discuss the case study of lumberjacks. The lumberjacks of Canada. First of all, the question is, what is lumbering? It is the cutting down of trees and processing leading to the manufacturing of products such as paper, newsprint, and synthetic fiber. In addition, it can include planting of trees and preventing the spread of disease and forest fire. It is an important economic activity of Canada in the coniferous or taiga forest. The softwood trees such as the spruce, jack pine, hemlock, cedar, and poplar. These forests are found in broad continuous belt from the Pacific coast in the west to the Atlantic coast in the east. However, not all the estimated 5 million square kilometer of this forest is exploited. The main regions are located in the provinces of British Columbia, Quebec, Ontario. In Canada, 60% of the total area is covered by coniferous forest. Lumbering is a specialized activity and is mainly carried out by lumbermen or lumberjack who live in large lumber camps and lead a very hard life in all through the winter away from their families. Felling trees, sawing them into logs, and hauling them involve a lot of hard work. Today, this is made easier by the use of mechanical saws, overhead cables, tractors, and cranes. Now, lumbering is done in a particular season, and that season is winter. There are certain reasons that the sap in the tree is frozen, making it easier to cut. The log can be conveniently dragged over the frozen ground and peeled on frozen river and lakes so that they can easily float down when the ice thaws in summer. Also in winter, the air is clean, refreshing, and free from pests. The actual logging is spread over a period of 100 days in winter. The lumberjack work is done, or the lumbering work is done by the different category of lumberjacks. These are of four types: high riggers, sawyers or buckers, skidders, haulers, or transport. These are the different stages. First of all, cutting, skidding, and hauling. And high riggers, these are the lumberjacks who climb the tall coniferous tree to cut off its branches first and then the trunk. Then the sawyers or buckers, these are the people who use saw and axes to cut the trunk into the length of measuring from 1 meter to 5 meter of log. Then the skidders, these people mainly collect the logs and stack them along a frozen riverbank, road, or a railway line. Then the haulers or transporters, these are the people who ensure the transfer of logs down a river till they reach a sawmill or factory. This work include clearing log jams with long poles, and they often wear spiked shoes to push the logs with their legs. Nowadays, they even use sticks of dynamite to move logs that cause jams. Now, the life of lumberjack lives a hard life. They live in log house which have sloping roof, steep sloping roof that allow snow to slide off. These houses have slightly raised floor to avoid contact with the frozen ground. A camp set up with bunk house for the men to sleep in, a cook house where are prepared, shed for tractors, office, storehouse, and repair shop. Lumberjack wake up early in the morning and take a quick breakfast before dawn. Thereafter, their work of felling trees begin, followed by cutting off the branches of the fallen trees, skidding, and hauling. A team of 3-4 lumberjacks can fell dozens of trees in a day. At sundown, they return to their camp and eat their meal of the day, after which they relax around the campfire, chatting, singing, playing cards, and reading books. In the past, lumber camps were set up only in winter. Now, settled community of forest workers have developed. Also, these forests are more accessible now by plane, bus, even snowmobile. The life of lumberjack today is not as difficult as it was there in the past. because the use of power-driven saws, powered cranes, and automobiles. Therefore, lumbering today is a permanent activity. Now, for which things lumber are used, lumber or the block or the log of wood. 1 meter logs are used in the manufacturing of pulp, paper, and newsprint. Newsprint is a major product, and Canada is the largest producer of newsprint in the world. Quebec and Ontario are the important center for producing wood pulp, paper, and newsprint in large factories. Western Canada has plenty of Douglas fir, hemlock, spruce, and cedar, and so it is an important region of sawn wood or timber used in the construction and furniture industries. These are usually sawn into length of 5 meters or more. British Columbia has many timber industries for plywood production, furniture making, and prefabricated building material. Some of the main centers are Vancouver, New Westminster, and Nelson. Pulp is used for making rayon, a synthetic fiber. Montreal, Toronto, and London, Ontario are important rayon textile center. The main production center the main production center are Quebec, Montreal, and Toronto. Ottawa, Hull, Pembroke, Cornwall, St. John, Liverpool, Grand Falls, and Corner Brook are the major pulp, newsprint, timber, furniture, and paper producing center in Canada. Canada is the fourth largest producer of and the large exporter of paper in the